Me a karate expert. You teach woman to independent, not to depend. Woman say have them one thing. Me no no money machine, she no have none.
So we link up with the boss, yeah. Peanut bread.
So, as me I show you.
I'm a rating plus tax.
Yes, Nayati. You know, right now, you know, you see experience teaches wisdom, you know, Nayati. Saying, you know, I got you. And when I got you, you know, my brethren, and I say, the fowl, them, you know, they have feather over their head. The bird have feather over their head. Guinea chick, feather over their head. What you call name duck, have feather over their head. Now me wonder why make the drunk now in favor of them, you know, and in him no have feather over head. And me say, boy, nature good, you know. Why make nature make him no grow no feather over female God? And his reason, you know, his big reason. Why me say his reason, you know, the man push up his head in a dead sitting. It's like all cow dead, all hog or goat, eh? Then how one where they say them call the head man one, you know, right? Yeah, where him come inspect it, you know. Like how when people kill hog and goat or sitting, you have the inspector who can inspect the meat to tell if it up to date, right? Good. Because after this and that, you know, they are one they name the head man one, you know, right? And him come inspect it, you know, right? And me say, what him do, you know? And him pick out the bottom, you know. Pick out the bottom and pick out the two eye, right? And the other one him up nice tree look, you know, when him go inspect it, you know. And you see when him done inspect it, hear him now. When him done take out the bottom and take out the eye, then hear what man say. Who fi bury it? And the one them up night tree say, we. Oh my God. You see when him leave, just so the man have to push his head up in at the bottom down for draw all the tripe, you know. God no make him grow with no feather over his head. Me have to say, boy, nature good, you know. Right? Yeah, man bed ball at me, I say, my God. Now, I see some whole time man now, right? Only drunko. Head me see look like for them. Me have to wonder, what kind of disease they take the man them? Make them ball up the head. Me say, the only thing when me see look like it is the circumcised hood. You see hood with skin over? Yes. Only it shines so. Me say the man have the head I represent cocky head 113, right? That tree spirit when him so from Mars, right? I wicked spirit them. You me I tell you, right? Cocky head 113. What? Me say murderous. The man not talking now. The man do some brother wickedness and when he done in drop. Silent now said nothing, right? I tell you, then three spirit there. In fuck hog, in fuck goat, in fuck dog, in fuck cow, in fuck donkey, in fuck mouth, in fuck pussy, in fuck body. What a dangerous rascal spirit couldn't understand, you know. The name where the name the sitting behind the man named Cocky. It's 3 demons from up on Mars, they name it after name Cocky Head 113. The amount of man where Cocky put in a problem is the only God, he can't control it, you know. Because when he start to push out, it a fuck with his head or him a go broke. And you see by him broke, I don't have family court they have him. You know, so some of them kill the woman them and run away. Well, some go in a prison, right? Who do it? Cocky Head 113. Because he can't manage him. Because he's a deadly spirit. The man not talking now. The man only hack. Right? When you say silent river run deep, the breeder work Cocky Head 113 I do. And when he done, if a him fi say him, he drop back under the man silent, and the man ain't after. And then if you know the man do the hack. And they sitting under him. I do them wickedness there, right? Because they start stand up, it a fuck with the man head, right? And the man can do better, right? And so my man them make it put him in a trouble. Make it what? Nice what? Yeah, right? Me say, no for the woman them to can't control them pussy. God Almighty bring that troublesome woman pussy put them in, my God. If bitch no say anything sweet you, when so are you? You say when you broke, it's sweet. And then the problem lie waiting on your ass. You hear? Anyway, you see pleasure. And then the problem lie waiting, right? Some people are run down for broke. Yes. Some man, you know, he go up the sign say pushing gone. He go down the sign say pushing gone. He go round the sign say pushing gone. You know what happened little more? He's swelling glands. He's swelling glands. Tap in the water. Harris, hernia. If you work too hard, lift too much heavy weight, and fuck too hard, your hernia will come down. It's not every man delicate with it. But some family delicate with hernia. If you lift too much heavy weight or work too hard and fuck too hard, it will come down. And that's enough man don't understand that part, the scientific part. They say, if you go up the saucy pussy, you go around the saucy pussy, you go down the saucy pussy. Yes, man, little more. Lord, my God, in hernia come down. You see it swell up. I try, when in my force, they try bust one little white veil where hold it in, right? And hang out. And if it come my 2 grand side, that's so, I don't like ball they start to go, right? When him ball swell up now, God Almighty, another woman see in front him big so, like your head. Them a say, Jesus, God, what kind of hood that the man have? They don't know why, you know. They don't know if I seed or if I hood. Bar in there, see in front him tan so. Them a say, Jesus, God, they not so him would big, because they don't know what, right? He live with the woman now, and he can't fuck still, you know. But I don't have here now, he can't fuck, but the woman now can't take the embarrassment because another woman see Jean and I say, Jean, Jesus, God, me say for you man with one sin thing there. How you manage it? How you manage it? Jean said, that God, me can't take the embarrassment, you know. Hold on. You know me, I run well left him. I run well left him. On it, I roll, right? Because a woman can't take, because the other woman them don't know what, right? And in front of him big so, then said, Jesus, God, how him woman manage that, they sitting there, my God, right? And I'm not going to show them because he's a shame with it, right? Come again now.
But you more ask
Yes.
Zin, you do a topic for my channel one good while ago.
Yes.
When you had discuss about how some man they quiet on them tune and are just because woman.
Yes, that is real. Because it happened to me. See when me is here, a shot me have. And brother, people always say, you can see people suffer and that I'm a help you want. Me not believe in it. You have to help people who you say help themselves. Yeah? You can't see people who don't possess nothing at all. He don't have a job. He don't have no saving. He don't have no value. He don't have nothing. You call them big worthless good for nothing. He don't not try. Yeah? If good in him, you don't see him a try. People who you see going around possess nothing at all. If you give him nothing, give him a making one. Don't harbor him. Yeah? Can we carry you like himself? Yeah? Yeah, that is my experience. Right? I never know. Me see people I suffer. When me take up the first woman, she never have no savings, she don't have no value, she don't even live nowhere, she not stable. And I wrong thing that me go do. Poor me never know what me was doing, my brethren, right? Me I follow people say you can't see people that suffer and that time I help them want. Not now, God, sir. Yeah? Hey, when me, you say she did want something, all know me nice, natty. See, that person don't want nothing, he want go around and lean upon other people. People where they see progressive and motivated, and they then go around and try to survive for them. Right? Them feel like them not clever enough and them not skilled enough to really try out for them own. Yeah. And these people is parasite. Right? If you harbor them, just to no good 99 minutes. Hey, a big chance you take. A gambler start a gamble. And you will lose. Yeah? Because everything is gambling. The amount of woman when man mash up their life and the amount of woman when mash up man life because it was gambling. Poor soul never know, right? And buying gamble, he lose. And some when he lose, him not know anything to come back. He loses, take him so rough. That's how God every limbs left him and couldn't try again. He all get crazy because he has some family where have weak blood. And if too much problem, take him. He will start act funny, you know. Yes, he will get timid and start mad. Yeah? Yeah. And that happen to enough people, right? It's not everybody can take problem. Yeah, you? Let me tell you, some can stand up. Cause me that deal and I same thing me see happen, right? Cause me see man come in here when he look and she say, when he lock the door and gone, if they know what me door and can't come out. Jesus God. The man who put everybody in there for fret now, you know. The man hang down in here, this is a I want talk, we have to say, boy, act like a road there, you know. No come in here, come and fret and do like say, well, then you want we for fret to because the sentence we harder, you know, man. Right? Laugh, no, man, and make joke and do like say, well, then nothing wrong, man. Eh? Right? So, some people cannot take burden, yeah? Right? And it makes some people over the world have suffered, yeah? Yeah. So, what happened, you know? You see, anytime me look and see, say, a man alone live. He have food, he have clothes, he have money, and then we have a little business to go on. No, he is not the problem. Woman is the problem. Right? No, him feel like say no. Him can't lick it with a man. Maybe they will call him funny man. So he's a woman. He might go try to lick it with. No. Right? Good. Lick it with a woman now toward motivation and toward progress. All the woman come they can do now. And she say I try, the man I try. Before he take birth control and don't make the man gear no picnic because she say she poor and the man poor. And then can't afford no picnic yet. That's a sensible woman do. No man can breed sensible woman until when she ready. When she know, say she can afford the child. That means if as the man gear the child, the man dead and gone to prison, she and her child, alright? Yeah? That's what sensible woman do, yeah? Fool woman, dying for breed for the man, for take the picnic yam the man jointly. And if the man won't mind her jointly with the picnic, don't a woman court. This thing not right? Eh? Come now. No, you see, when she get herself into trouble, the man not to be blamed. She is the one, I thought, to be blamed because the man never hold her down, the man never lick her down. If she lay down willingly and get herself into trouble, right? Why blaming the man? Eh? She must be blamed because the man get her picnic, man can't dead and gone to prison. How she and the picnic man is? If she never prepare for picnic. Come now. We need some understanding, we need some intelligence, you know, right? When you take up the woman now and can't go your yard, you alone was there, have everything happy, right? You know, do nothing besides take up Satan now and carry him gone, they gonna fucking pussy, right? One picnic, yes, you feel good, so you get a picnic now. Two picnic, you feel good, so first one get company. Three picnic, shirt and pants left, you cloth now, right? A bex, you start get bex. Everything where you go walk now, you can't even buy your shoes, right? You get bex. Now, when a woman talk to you, you hardly want answer. When you don't answer, you answer rough, right? The woman start get vexed now and I say, hey, he mash up my life. Me have to wash it up nappy. And me have to make tea every minute. Nay, for me. You know that man mash up my life. While the man did I say, she mash up my life because nothing that shooting can buy. I don't know what happened. If you don't mind, you pick me enough with it and mama alone. And papa alone here. You pick me them con the meat. And make them angry. And set them on for one another. You find the two of them alone, you know. They don't go on, you know. Right? But who are the problem now? After the man did it quite alright. And that's when you know, take up two man car, go down and make sure you hatch your picnic and yam down and shit down and laugh down and mash up, right? Who is the problem? Who is the problem? After him did it quite alright. Right? You see it? Anything sweet you? Go and sour your ass, right? I don't have family court they have him now, right? I tell life upon him, say, him are the aggressor, and him are the accuser, him breed woman. And I know him breed nobody. The woman breed by a higher power over him and her. And God makes you born with pussy, right? And for she born with pussy as woman, she born to have picnic. So she mustn't blame me. Say me is the cause of it. No! Prepare for your burden, prepare for carry your cross. Why you see your cross heavier than mine and you want me throw it down for my cross when me have to carry to help you carry your cross. No, I cannot help you because me couldn't help you carry 9 month belly. Me no want no breastfeed pitney suck. When pitney win from breast milk pitney and food no grow up on my head top. Where the Ross clot me have to do it pitney. You idiot. And me fi go walk now, right? And so me get me money when me alone to yam that is serve me long. Me fi come make 3 or 4 mouths. Foo! Rat clot. So me fi go walk again come in. Foo! And then I for pussy in the meantime. No plan people plan to kill me now. To destroy me. And when me want surrender to make them kill me. My mama man and Mr. Titus and Batman. Them are bad wickedness, you know. Them are bad wickedness, you know, man. Yes. I know that the poor man, the man, eh? Me have to send out me talking, no man. Wise up the man, them, you know, man. Do. Because them a hand that we rise, you know, man. Right? Then prison them and shoot them. And hang them and do them one. And the woman him some more just a woman countryman. Eh? Do. Who help me, you know? Who no look into what I am saying? And help me here, crowd. Help me whole world. Do. Nah, the man have nothing to do with not picnic. Yeah? Right? Remember, only human being me say the back of woman and pussy and picnic. Yeah? Another animal is a mother response for the child them and take care of them until they get big and go up on their own. The father have nothing to do with no child because him play the biggest part. Without him, none couldn't born. So I thought he should due respect, he should get paid to us. Yeah? If him refuse, none could never born, yeah? And I don't know why he couldn't refuse to and draw back and demand big. Him done not forget it, you know. It's a generation done. Now pick me now born, you know. Me I tell you how big be the face man and let me down, you know, man. Right? Because the man and sister them sit down for the value. Without them not sow the seed, none cannot multiply, right? And the man and do not decide go and give them seed free. I'm hungry for my woman and pick me. God damn it. Why? Yes, for this word give thanks. Yes, listen to Rasta again. You teach woman to independent, not to depend. Woman to have them one thing. Me no no money machine, she no have none.
So we link up with the boss, yeah? He looks great.
So, as me I show you.
I'm a rating plus tax.